How to use Airbnb gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way on how you can redeem and then use your Airbnb's gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, what you have to do is, in order to redeem it, we have to go to the official website of Airbnb. That is to open up Chrome, and you just want to type in airbnb.com/gift. So just go ahead and type in airbnb.com/gift. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. This is actually a page to redeem our gift card of Airbnb. So once I go to this specific page, you can see it says me, let's redeem your gift card. Now first, you have to actually log into your account. If you're not logged in, just as it came with a pop-up in my case, you have to make sure to simply log in. After that, you have to enter the pin on the back of your gift card. So if there is a pin, so just go ahead and enter the pin over here. Make sure all of the keywords and all of the keys are actually correct, because if there is even a single mistake, you will not be able to redeem it. And once you've done so, you could just tap on the redeem gift card button over here. Now you can also find out where you can check your balance. You can go to the account section to do that, or for that you can watch our other video. But to redeem it, just go to airbnb.com/gift and then go ahead and then log into your account, paste your gift card, and then tap on the redeem gift card button. That's all it takes to redeem your Airbnb gift card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.